Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2024 Jaguar F-Type expert review. Duncan Brady. A full decade after its debut for 2014, the time has come to say farewell to one of the most beautiful vehicles ever made, the Jaguar F-Type. The 2024 model celebrates Jaguar's 75th anniversary. Considering Jag's promise to become an all-electric brand by 2025, this is likely the last gas-powered sports car the UK automaker will ever build. In its final model year, the F-Type competes with other luxury coupes and convertibles including the Porsche 911, Chevrolet Corvette, and Mercedes-AMG SL-Class. Collapse all chevron. What's new? Chevron. The 2024 model year brings the F-Type 75 and F-Type R75, both of which feature exclusive badging, gloss black 20-inch wheels, interior 75 detailing, a synthetic suede headliner, and lighter slimline seats. Jaguar gave the F-Type a mid-cycle refresh for 2021 and made the supercharged V8 the only engine option starting in 2022. What we think? Chevron. Since its launch 10 years ago, the Jaguar F-Type has been among the prettiest vehicles on sale. Its classic long hood, short deck proportions sing sports car, and we anticipate Ian Callum's design will age with elegance. Now that a version of the supercharged V8 is standard, every F-Type now has that old-school V8 rumble, too. Not that Jag's sports car is all bark or roar, and no bite. Jaguar's AWD system succeeds in reining in the tail-happy antics of early V8 F-Types, and the result is a confident, athletic performance machine. Revised rear suspension components keep oversteer in check, despite the hefty curb weight, and we can finally push hard into a corner without fear of punishment. Steering feel has improved, too. Plus, even if 575 horsepower doesn't sound like a lot in a world of 1,200 horsepower electric sedans, the F-Type R feels plenty powerful. We'd opt for the coupe over the convertible due to its improved rigidity and refinement, not to mention more trunk space. The F-Type has some notable downsides. We found the brake pedal with the standard steel brakes vague and squishy, though that problem could be solved if you opt for the available carbon ceramic stoppers. What the carbon ceramics won't solve is the disconcerting way the rear end dances around a bit under heavy braking, something strange we experienced in our first drive test car. The post-refresh model's exhaust note is a bit tamer than on early F-Types, too, and we know a similarly priced 911 would offer superior performance. So practically, sure, you'd go for the Porsche. But here's the thing about buying a sports car, it's never a practical decision. The Jaguar F-Type has the style, the presence, the sound, and the staying power that makes us swoon over cars like these. We'll miss it dearly. Performance and efficiency. Chevron. Although the F-Type was once offered with turbocharged 4-cylinder and supercharged 6-cylinder engine options, all 2024 F-Types are fitted with the same 5.0-litre supercharged V8, although it is available in two states of tune. The RWD F-Type R Dynamic and AWD F-Type 75 are fitted with a V8 tuned to 444 horsepower and 428 pounds-feet of torque, while the F-Type R75 turns things up to 575 horsepower and 516 pounds-feet. Jag claims 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds for the lesser V8 tune and a 3.5 second sprint for the R75. Efficiency numbers read 16 to 17/24 mile per gallon city, highway. Safety ratings and features. Chevron. Although Jaguars aren't typically rated by the ISO or NHTSA, buyers can take comfort in knowing the F-Type comes with a host of driver assist features. Automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert are included on all models. Cargo space and interior room. Chevron. A practical sports car is something of an oxymoron, but the F-Type isn't so bad, at least if you go for the coupe. The F-Type coupe's cargo area surpasses that of the Corvette's front and rear trunks combined. Opting for the convertible yields a trunk just barely bigger than half the size of the coupe's. Technology. Chevron. The F-Type comes fitted with an infotainment system with integrated navigation plus Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and a 10.0-inch touchscreen. All models are also fitted with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10-speaker Meridian audio system. The F-Type 75 and R75 add ambient interior lighting. What's next for the F-Type? Chevron. The F-Type, introduced for the 2014 model year, was billed as a spiritual successor to the legendary E-Type, which was last sold in 1974. We can't imagine Jaguar will take another 40 years to come out with an F-Type successor. When the car does make its debut, it'll be all electric, given that Jaguar has committed to being an all-electric brand by 2025. Recommended trim. Chevron. Good news for budget-minded folks seeking a Jaguar F-Type. The best parts of the experience are the style and sound, so you don't need to drop $115,000 on the range-topping 575 horsepower F-Type R to get the best of the range. Sure, the R75 will be the Jag most likely of the three to sell for big bucks at an auction in 30 years, but we'd have just as much fun with the lower output V8. The F-Type R Dynamic and F-Type 75 are both smart picks. Go with the former if you want the purest driving experience and the 75 if the special edition bits tickle your fancy. We'd take the coupe for the shockingly beautiful rear 3/4 view and useful cargo area. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.